Hi guys, we are here with another dance tutorial. This one is the most asked on YouTube and Instagram. It's for Gal Karke. And if you all decide to make covers, please do not forget to tag us. You can also email us your covers. The email ID is provided here. And if you upload it on Instagram, you can use this hashtag Dance with CDD and tag me, I'm Asta Sharma or Casa de Dance. Thank you. Let's begin. We begin with our legs being shut. Okay, I'm going to teach you the legs first and then join it with the hands. So your first step is you cross your right over left and go 1 and then put it on side 2 and then back 3 and then out again 4. So what did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your legs. Now your left hand will be on your waist. Right hand is going to go 1, 2, 3, back. So 1, 2, 3, back. Okay. So on the lyrics it goes Jidde utte mardi. Okay. Continuing from there, mundir mundiya. Okay. You're gonna hop on your left leg and go 1, 2. Okay. And at the same time your right hand will go 1, 2 as if you are कोई चाबी घुमा रहे हो. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2. So the whole step together looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so jidde utte mardi mundir mundiya. From there you're going to look on your left side. You're going to face left and at the same time your right leg will go back and right hand will go up. Okay, so this is the transition. You are facing forward, you're going to look side and go 1, right hand, right leg. Now your left hand will join your right hand. Your leg remains there and then you go drop both the hands with your head being dropped and come up. When you come up, your right hand is here, your left hand is on the chin. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, drop and back. Yes, so one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. Jidde utte mardi mundir mundiya mar gaya o kudi. You have to come back on kudi because your next step is tere lukte. So there are 2 thumkas in place and at the same time your hand is pointing towards the camera and then you're doing badiya. 1, 2. So you did tere te. Yes. Mar gaya o kudi tere lukte. Yes. This is the first section. Okay. Let's move on to the second section. Now you have to move ahead. Okay, you have to go ahead with your right leg. Okay, your legs will go right and left. Yes, and at the same time you're going to open out your hands from center and open and open. So first right hand goes up and then left hand goes up. This goes along with your feet when you're going ahead. So 1 and 2 and try to lead with your hip in this one. Okay, it looks much more graceful. So ta ta. Yes, so you finish mar gaya o kudi tere lukte sadkate phire. Okay, sadkate phire is sadkate phire teri car labdi. You are gonna go back again while hopping and your hands will go look, right hand. Okay, and you're going to go back and again whenever you're not placing your hand anywhere else, you please place it on your waist and go tuck, tuck. Yes, hop and back. So sadkate phire teri car labdi. Then it says labdi ni kudi jedi Facebook te. Yes, from here you're gonna go step right, step left, back, right, left, back At the same time, your hands will go right, left. When you come back, cross it in front of your face and open. Okay, as if you're searching for something. So, tuck, 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 tuck. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, you're going to do a hop. And when you do a hop, your hands are going to be 1, 2. 1, 2. So, 1 and 2. Okay? I'm going to join these steps for you so that it is clearer. So, सड़काते फिरे मेरी कार लबदी नी कुड़ी जेड़ी फेसबुक ते. Yes? Yes? You want, let's do it from the beginning. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. जिदे उते मरदी मुंडेर मुंडिया मर गया ओ कुड़ी तेरी लुक ते. सड़काते फिरे तेरी कार लबदी नी कुड़ी जेड़ी फेसबुक ते. From there, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what did I do? I'm doing 1, 2 and opening my right leg, and my right hand is going up and left hand is down. So number 2, chhat. From there, you're gonna cross your right over left and take a turn. Okay, so watch. 1 and turn to look back into the camera. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. When you turn, you're going to place your right hand on your heart, because it says dil. Okay, and then it says ledger, and you're going to do ledger. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go. Number 2, chhad dil mera ledger. From here, you're going to place your right leg ahead and go as if you're falling. Okay, so fall and back. So right is going ahead. Fall and back. At the same time, your left hand is going first forward and then your right goes forward. Okay, as if you're falling. So you do fall and then put both your hands back. Okay, and now you're going to come forward by hopping again and go hop and hop to come forward. Yes, so now I'm going to do this second section that I just taught you. So 5, 6, number nucha. 5, 6, 7, go. Number nucha dil mera le ja na 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 val karke. Yes, then it says मुनिया ने रेट तेरे हाय कर दे. Okay, very simple. You're gonna go 1 and 2. Okay, now what you have to do, it's a kind of a bhangra step. Okay, so you're gonna put your right toe, okay, and 1 and 2, and at the same time your hands are gonna go cross down and comes up. Okay, so down and up to go forward, back. Your right leg is going forward, back. At the same time, your hands are going up and down. So, mundiya ne tere hai kar de. Yes. From here, your right leg will come back to center, and at the same time, your hands are going to go. Left hand is here. Okay. Your right hand will say 1. Okay, and go here. Sit on your right bar. Switch hand, switch leg, and 1 again. So, ek vari. Yes, ek vari has diya kar. Okay, so what you have to do is, in between you have to just give a look. Okay, like that, and smile. Okay, so 1, 2, smile. So, ek vari dekh ke. Then it says, to has diya kar. You're gonna go has diya kar. Okay, same legs that we did in the first section. So 1, 2, but your hands this time are going 1, 2. Yes, so ek baar dekh ke to has diya kar. From here, you're gonna go. Your right leg will go out. At the same time, your right hand will go out and come back with your right leg. Okay. Similarly, left hand will go out, come back with the left leg. Okay. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You're hiding your face, and now slowly you will bring it down and down. Yes. Down and down, and again do a hop and hop with it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From here, the right heel with your right hand and go 1. At the same time, your left hand will go on your head. So 1, cross over and turn. And with your right hand, you're going to ask, say Q and do 3, 4. Okay, so Q and das diya kar. On the lyrics, it goes, Tenu vekhe bina din langda nahi, kithiya location na to das diya kar. Yes, from here, you're gonna go ahead here only, sideways, okay, like more towards diagonal of your right. Okay, so you're gonna go as if you're holding something, your chunni, your lehenga, your suit, whatever, and you're gonna go step and step. Okay, munde mere piche. Okay, you're gonna go munde mere piche, tere piche aana main. Okay, again you're gonna cross your right leg and take a full turn. Yes, and at the same time your hands will open out, turn, and again on your heart it's gonna come. Okay, so this is little technical. You feel it here. You're gonna go munde mere piche, tere piche. Now left hand is up, right is down. Tere piche aana main. You're gonna do main. Left leg will go side and back. Okay, now this one is your left hand will go along with it. Okay, left hand will go along, right will hold it and get it back from the wrist. Okay, as if somebody is going and you're getting them back. Okay, so 1, 2, back, and now when you've got it back, you have to come back to center. Okay, but how you come back to center? You're gonna come hop, hop. Your hands will cross like this with each other. Okay, and you're gonna go 1, 2. Yes. Now again, I'm gonna club from munde aane tere tere hai kar de ek bari. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Munde aane ret tere hai kar de ek bari dekh ke to has diya kar. Din langda nahi, kithiya location na tu das diya kar. Munde mere piche tere piche aana main, लाले जोर अपना बनाना तेनू मैं. Yes, we're over with our second section. Yes, moving on to the third and our final section. We're going to drive a car in this one with your right hand. Okay, your hand will go right, left, right and right. Okay, so you're moving 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the same time, your body is going along with it. So you're going 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it says, Kariche bitha ke tenu ge alana main. Yes. So right, left, right, right. Now you can look towards your left or right anywhere you wish to. Okay, this was a section that we did as a do it. Okay, so you can look left or right, whatever you wish to. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Look back. Then you're gonna go left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as if you're betting on something. So bet, bet. So she says something like Kuriya de karna bet karke. Okay, I'm sorry, don't know the lyrics well. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Look and back. Kuriya na bet karke. Now the chorus part. Okay, so the chorus part is a bhangra addition little bit. Okay, so please try not to use your heels in this one. Okay, you're gonna use mostly your toes. Okay, so what you're gonna do is your legs are pretty simple. You're gonna hop. Okay, but on your toe. So right, left, and left. Yes, 5, 6, 7, go. right, left, okay, and your hands are gonna go 1 2 3 4, yes, 5 6 7, go. गलता जटीना तेरी बनी पई है, yes, गलता जटीना तेरी बनी पई है. From here your right leg will go out, at the same time your hands will open and left is down, right is up, and then when right leg comes in you join both your hands but do not cover your face right now, okay. 1 2 3. So what did my body do along with it? It went 1, right leg out and your hands are out, in, okay. You're still facing there and now face forward, okay. So 1 2 3, okay. To go 5, pick up something, 6, pick up something. This is how you complete your chorus, and this repeats 2 times, okay. So गलत जटीना तेरी बनी पई है, वेखता सही तू जटा गल करके. Again, गलता जटीना तेरी बनी पई है, वेखता सही तू जटा गल करके. Yes, third section from the top. 5 6 7, go. कर च बिठा के तेनू गेड़ा लाना मैं, कुड़िया डाई बैठ करके. मुन्निया नन टर वेखता सही तू जटा गल करके. गलता जटीना तेरी बनी पई है, वेखता सही तू जटा गल करके. And that's when you finish our choreography. Yes. So now we're just gonna take it from the top till the end, okay. 5 6 7, go. जिते उते मरदी मुंडेर मुंडिया, मर गया ओ कुड़ी तेरे लुकते. सड़का ते फिरे तेरी कार लभदी नी कुड़ी जेड़ी फेसबुक ते. नंबर नु छड़ दिल मेरा ले जा, डर बल करके. मुंडिया ने रेट तेरे हाय कर दे, एक बार देख के तो हंस दिया कर. तेरे बिना दिल न लंघदा नहीं, किथे आ लोकेशन ना तू दस दिया कर. मुन्ने मेरे पीछे तेरे पीछे आना मैं, लाले जोर अपना बना न कर च बिठा के गेड़ा लाना मैं, कुड़िया न बैठ करके. मुन्निया न टर वेखता सही तू जटा गल करके. गलता जटीना तेरी बनी पई है, वेखता सही तू जटा गल करके. And that's when you finish our choreography.